Hello, kids! Today, I'm going to tell you a beautiful and meaningful story called Ali and Mooney. In a small and peaceful village, there lived a sweet little boy named Ali. He was kind, hardworking, and always ready to help others. His parents taught him the importance of good manners and kindness. One day, as Ali was walking to school, he saw a weak little cat sitting under a tree. She was shivering from cold and hunger. Ali felt sorry for her. He took a piece of bread from his pocket and gently placed it in front of the cat. At first, the cat looked around in fear, but then slowly came forward and began to eat. Ali smiled warmly. From that day on, Ali started feeding the cat every morning and evening. The cat began to recognize him too. Ali gave her a name, Mooney. Mooney would wait for him every day by the roadside. One day, Ali told his mother about Mooney. She smiled and said, "Son, those who show mercy to others, Allah shows mercy to them." Ali felt happy and proud. Then one rainy day, Ali was walking back from school when he slipped and fell badly. His knee was badly hurt, and he couldn't get up because of the pain. Mooney saw everything. She quickly ran to Ali's house. She started meowing loudly at the door. Ali's mother opened the door and saw Mooney calling her. Mooney looked back, as if to say, "Follow me." Ali's mother understood. She quickly put on her slippers and ran after Mooney. She reached Ali, picked him up in panic, and rushed him to the nearby clinic. There, Dr. Amina carefully cleaned and bandaged his wound. Mooney sat quietly near Ali's feet the whole time. A few days later, Ali was smiling again. Mooney played happily by his side. See, kids, sometimes a small act of kindness can bring about a big change in someone's life. Ali helped Mooney, and when the time came, Mooney helped him back. Always remember, a small act, a big change. Sending love and peace to all the children. Bye-bye.